Today's date is October 16th, 2025.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Today there's a high of 84 and a low of 67, and there's a 0% chance of rain.
Next Tuesday, let's make bullying a thing of the past. Dress up as historical people.
Unity Day is next Wednesday. Make sure to wear orange to show your support.
Breast Cancer Awareness Day is next Thursday. Make sure to wear pink to show your support.
Hi, who am I here with?
Mason Songi,
What grade are you in?
7th.
Do you play any sports?
Basketball, volleyball, and football.
What are your hobbies?
I like to play sports, I like to game, and I like to travel a lot.
Thank you.
Hi, who am I here with?
Dean Rivers.
What do you do here at Discovery?
I am the 6th grade dean, half of 7th grade, and also the SAFE coordinator.
How long have you been working here at Discovery?
This is my 2nd year here at Discovery.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Blue Street with Martin Lawrence.
And then what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is when the Raiders eat the Steelers.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Rivers.
Have a good one.
3, 2, 1.
This is the Keeping Up with the Explorers Quarter 1 crew signing off.